Y'all, there's nothing more beautiful than the flap of a butterfly wing. And it's like among my other butterflies. I gotta clean out my little area. It's been rough with the storm, but how beautiful is that? Hi, Booney and Granny. You guys are missed and loved. Oh my gosh. I love a monarch butterfly. Oh, it's as if it's saying hey to me. It's gonna make me cry. So pretty. It's relaxing too to watch the wings flap back and forth. Back and forth. Hi, Booney and Granny. Hello, hello. Honestly, we might leave these little twizzle things, these little sticks, because there's way too much to clean up. Oh my gosh. Beautiful butterfly kisses after bedtime prayer, sticking little white flowers all up in her hair.